missing.
What's that, sir?
Every flyer needs one of these. Rudolph, because you've demonstrated courage, character, and a heart that's true, I now pronounce you a true blue flyer.
Gosh, sir! Gosh.
Congratulations, Red.
Yeah. You be careful out there.
You're the best friends I've ever had. Good luck, Rudolph.
Men, the worst of the storm circles the North Pole for 100 miles. If we can break through it, the rest of our journey should be smooth sailing. But I won't kid you. This is gonna be one bumpy ride. But with Rudolph and his wonderful nose at the lead, I say we stand a fighting chance.
If we all work together, I think we can make it, sir.
I think so, too.
Hey, all right!
Psst. I'm proud of you, son.
Roll call!
Dasher!
Dancer!
Prancer!
Vixen!
Comet!
Cupid!
Daughter!
Blitzen!
Rudolph!
Light it up, Rudolph!
With pleasure, sir.
Faster, boys! We can beat this storm! I know we can!